I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to update Plex on your Synology NAS. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to plex.tv, and then sign in to your Plex account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Plex home screen. Step 2. Click the settings icon at the top of the screen. The settings icon looks like a wrench. Step 3. Navigate to the settings section and then tap General. You'll see a note next to the current version if an update is available. Step 4. Click Please install manually if an update is available, and then choose where to save the update file on your computer. Step 5. Now, open your Synology DiskStation Manager and then click to open Package Center. Step 6. Click Manual Install on this screen. The manual install window opens. Step 7. Click Browse. Select the Plex Media Server update file you just downloaded and then click Open. That file will be populated in the manual install window. Step 8. Click Next. You'll briefly see a note telling you that package is being processed. A pop-up appears letting you know that this package is provided by a third-party developer. Step 9. Click Agree. The next window gives you an overview of what will be updated. Step 10. Click Done. After the Plex update is complete, you'll see a note that the installation was successful. Now you can launch and continue using your updated Plex Media Server. And if you go and check your Plex Media Server version, you should see that it's fully up to date. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.